Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB leader. Omoyele Sowore issues a powerful call to action. The time is now. Join the peaceful protest tomorrow, the 20th of October 2025 at 7 a.m. as citizens gather in solidarity for the Free Nnamdi Kanu Now movement. With #MNK October 20th gaining momentum, this video captures the urgency, unity, and unwavering demand for justice. Be part of history, every voice matters. Watch as everyday Nigerians speak truth to power and rally behind the Free Nnamdi Kanu Now movement.
We observe today not a victory of party, but a celebration of freedom, symbolizing an end as well as a beginning, signifying renewal as well as change. For I have sworn before you and Almighty God the same solemn oath our forebears prescribed nearly a century and 3/4 ago. The world is very different now, for man holds in his mortal hands the power to abolish all forms of human poverty and all forms of human life. And yet the same revolutionary beliefs for which our forebears fought.
My name is Chinyere. I'm standing here to challenge every woman, wherever you are, every woman. We want to see you on that 20th of October.
Yes.
Remember the word of our leader, which said that when women come out, that something must happen.
Yes.
So I need every woman, wherever you are, despite all your religion, come out to free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It shall be well with us in the mighty name of Chukwuka Abiyama.
If Nnamdi Kanu is a Yoruba man, he will not be there. After all, Sunday Igboho was doing the same thing. When he was arrested, the Yoruba elders went. What is our Hanese doing?
God is doing in the life of his people. Firstly, I am sending this message to some Igbo people. If you are an Igbo man, an Igbo woman, and you are against the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, it will be better for you. If you are an Igbo person, and you are against the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, it will be better for your generation.
Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. We criticized Igbo elites who only speak on television or social media. He urged them to march to Aso Rock, Nigeria's seat of power, and Evangelist Abuka Obi demand Kanu's release in person. If the government can negotiate with terrorists, why not with Nnamdi Kanu? He referenced past amnesty and dialogue efforts with Boko Haram and bandits, contrasting it with the continued detention of Kanu despite multiple court rulings in his favor. Prophet Elijah Bamadil shares a powerful message addressing the controversial stance of certain Igbo individuals who oppose the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In this video, he calls for unity, justice, and deeper reflection on the spiritual and political implications of the case. Watch as he challenges narratives and urges the community to stand for truth. Free Nnamdi Kanu Now.